Hey guys, hope you had a great week. We are getting ready to start week 3. It is crazy how fast time is flying by. I do want to say that you guys have been doing a great job. You guys did a fantastic job on week 1. Week 2 looked a little bit rough, but we'll talk about that in just a second. Again, I am just making this video to kind of walk you through week 3 and kind of show you what it's going to look like. So let me go ahead and walk you through week 3, and we will talk about week 2. So for week 3, we are only going to have 2 modules. So this week is going to be pretty short. So this week we're going to cover evolution. And so our first module is going to be evidence of evolution. So you are going to watch an introduction video over evolution to kind of get an idea what evolution is, and it's a crash course video. So it'll be pretty short, sweet, to the point, and give you an overview of what evolution is. Then you're going to take your evolution notes, just like we've done in the past modules, and you're going to submit those notes here. Again, those are 10 points, so easy points. Then you're going to click on this Evidence for Evolution web quest, and what this is it's an activity, but you are going to use these links that are provided to actually find your answers. So for question number 1, what are fossils? You're going to actually go to this link, and it's going to give you information about fossils, and then it will tell you what fossils are. So then therefore you'll put your answer there, and then the same thing, you'll go to number 2 using this link. So please keep in mind that some of these links will not work. So I think there's like 2 links in here that have some kind of like tech error, and so it takes you to just like an error website. So for those links, what you'll do is you'll just go on the web and type in your question, and you'll find your answer. So that is for this evolution web quest. You will then find a submission link, and this is where you will submit your answers. So if you do this in your notebook, that is completely okay with me. You'll just submit those pictures in the submission folder. Or if you want to do it online and type your answers into that PDF and then upload it here, also perfectly fine. However works best for you. Okay, so let's go back to week 3. So then our second module, 8.2, is going to be Darwin versus Lamarck and natural selection. So here you're going to take your notes, and then you are going to submit those. Oh, this one should be over. I'll fix that. And then when you submit your notes right here, which will be up here underneath, I'll just fix it. It'll be okay. You're going to submit your notes there, and then you've got your Darwin versus Lamarck Freyer models. So here I have an example through an explanation of what these Freyer models are going to look like. So what a Freyer model essentially is it's a comprehensive assignment. So what you'll do is for Charles Darwin, you'll have your square. I think I can, well, maybe not. I guess I can. Oh, here we go. Okay, so then this is where you'll see your explanation. So you're going to have 2 separate Freyer models. You're going to have one for Charles Darwin and the other for Jean-Baptiste Lamarck. And this is so you can see the differences between those 2 scientists. So for the layout of your Freyer model, you're going to draw a square. And in the middle of your square, you're going to have a circle. And that's going to give you 4 different boxes. So you'll have 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. For your corner on the top left, you're going to have a picture of Charles Darwin. On the top right corner, you're going to have what his theory was. In the bottom left corner, you're going to have an example of Darwin's theory. And in the bottom right, I just want like some information about Charles Darwin, so some facts about him. And then you're going to have a second Freyer model, and you're going to have the same format, except you're going to be answering those questions with Jean-Baptiste Lamarck. So you'll have a picture of Jean-Baptiste Lamarck up in the top left. You'll have Jean-Baptiste Lamarck's theory up in the top right corner. You'll have Lamarck's theory in the bottom left, and in the bottom right, you'll just have some information about Jean-Baptiste Lamarck. And then you'll submit that right here. Then when you go back, you're going to have your evolution summative. So that's going to be your test, and that's also going to be June 20th. Please keep in mind that you do have 2 chances to take that test. As far as this week goes, it's a pretty short week. So looking at the grade book right now, there are actually quite a few assignments that are missing from Unit 7, and I know that Unit 7 was a long unit, but this class is really supposed to take you about 20 hours a week. So for those of you that have not finished those assignments in Unit 7, week 2, I would highly recommend that you go back when you have time this week to finish and complete those assignments. And there is a genetics disorder project, which I did include, and that's just like a presentation that you will submit. Again, if you guys have any questions, feel free to email me, reach out. You guys are doing a great job. Keep working hard, keep up the effort, and let me know if you guys have any questions. Have a great week.